Have I left it on?
Do you do cucumber sticks?
Cucumber stick.
Yeah. He laughed in my face about the cucumber sticks. He brought it up again. Oh my god.
It stuck to the wall. It stuck to the wall.
I'll clean that with my pad. Hi guys. I don't know how to start this. I'm in Manchester. This is my second video back to YouTube after taking a year break. But I thought this would be a really fun video. It's so echoey in here. Also, is that necessary? I'm in a hotel, if you didn't realise, and I'm by myself, and this is my first time in a hotel by myself, which has actually been on my bucket list for a few years. That sounds really sad. So I'm in this hotel at the moment because I just did a live stream with a brand called IsoClean on TikTok Shop. Oh, I drove here as well, bearing in mind that's a 3-hour journey. But anyway, I'll show you my room. I know you're dying to see it. So right now, it is a bit messy, I'm not gonna lie to you. That's literally like my trousers on the floor there. Basically, I was in a massive rush. When am I not rushing? If you saw my last video, literally, when am I not rushing? But I got to the hotel and checked in, and I had to be at the studio to do the TikTok shop in like 15 minutes. I just came here first to get changed because I drove down in this top and some joggers, and I obviously was not going to wear that on the live stream. But also on the way I spilt my coffee down this t-shirt. I'll insert a clip now. I've spilt coffee all down me because for some reason it leaks out of this lid. So yeah, I checked into the hotel. I literally had like 5 minutes here to get changed and leave again, so that explains why my clothes are on the floor willy-nilly. No, actually, that's not correct. I lied to you then. My clothes are now on the floor because I got a Nando's after the live stream. I rushed back here and I wanted to eat it while it was still hot, so I changed my clothes so quickly, sat down and ate my Nando's and watched YouTube, and that's why my clothes are on the floor again. Anyway, so here's the tour. I got a double bed just for me. They said I could choose between a double or a single, and obviously I chose a double. Then when I was in a rush to eat my Nando's, I chucked this on the floor. I don't even know what it is. It was on top of the bed, and there's another one on this side. Like, why? Why is it necessary? This is so stupid. Like, what did I think it was? You find out later in the video that it's literally the bed sheets. I literally said that it's unnecessary, and then later I would go to bed and find out my duvets had been on the floor the whole time. But like, what is the need for this? I'm very confused about it. It was in all the pictures on the hotel website when I went to book the room, and I was like, but why? I'm really confused. It has nothing to do with the hotel either. Like, there's not a theme of like, what even is it? Wool? Knitting needles? I've just had a shower and I'm really hot now. I just thought, because I was traveling all day, I wanted to have a shower earlier, but have I left it on? There's a really fine line between that shower turning on and that one. So anyway, I've done it now. I'm not gonna lie to you about what I've been doing for the past like hour. I've been on TikTok just watching Captain Jack Sparrow edits. Like, I literally searched the hashtag and watched all, I got to the bottom. I watched all of them. I was gonna give you an explanation, but I don't really have one. So I was just tidying, and remember earlier when I said that I chucked these random things on the floor and I didn't know what they were because they were just on the bed. I'm so stupid. I've just realized what they are. They're literally my bed sheets. Because I just went to make the bed as I'm tidying, and I was like, oh, I've got no bed sheets. And then I was like, oh, maybe those things that I chucked on the floor, on the dirty floor, are my bed sheets. And they are, so that's good. Oh, I've just realized I don't have a little peepee hole. I don't have a peephole at the door. Look, there's usually a little hole so you can look out and see if anyone's outside your door, but I don't have one. What if there's a knock at the door and I don't know who it is? how do I secretly look? That's dangerous, that is, because then I'll just have to open the door, and if it is someone about to kidnap me or something, then I can't help myself. I've already opened the door. See, these hotels, they don't think it through. They put that on the wall. They had enough time to think about putting that on the wall, but they didn't think about putting a pee-pee hole. I forgot to tell you that I already lost my key card today and had to ask for another one. Basically, when I was in a rush earlier to come and get changed and then go to the live stream, I left my key card in my room, and obviously I need that to open the door to get back in. So I knew I left it in there. I didn't actually lose it, but I went to the front desk and I was like, I've just left my key in my room, can I have another one? And she was fine with it, but I'd literally been here like 5 minutes and I already lost it and had to ask for another one. But there's no water and there's no cups, so I'm gonna have to go downstairs to reception and see if they have bottles of water or glasses or anything. I know it's gonna be embarrassing, but let's go on the hunt for water. I know I said I was going to get water, but there were people like playing pool in the reception, and I was like, no, I'm out of here. So I'm just gonna drive to McDonald's. That's how socially awkward I am. Hi. Also, this little thing that I use in the car to hold up my phone kept falling down on the motorway, and it was so annoying. And I was, because obviously I needed a sat nav on my phone, and I kept trying to put it back up, but it just would not stay. You're like inside my steering wheel area. Like, you'll see how quick this journey is. I won't cut this clip at all. I've just got out of the hotel and the sign is here, and we're gonna count how long it takes me to get there. I'd say about 20 seconds drive that was. I'm so lazy, but I'm here by myself and it's dark, and obviously I don't want to, I mean, I wouldn't walk here anyway even if it was daylight, but we're here. That's how quick it was. Oh, I went to a McDonald's recently in London and they had cucumber sticks, like a little bag of cucumber sticks, which I've never seen before in a McDonald's, and I don't know if you can buy them on their own, but they were like, instead of fries you could choose cucumber sticks. I don't know if you can buy them on their own, and I actually do not want to ask for cucumber sticks. Just thinking about it now, I'm not gonna say that at a drive-through. Hi, can I have the cucumber sticks? No, I can't do that. I only just realised how big the queue is. All I'm getting is water. It's probably because you think you're cooler than me. Still not there. I'm next in the queue for the ordering place, you know, where you say your order. Oh my god, I don't even know what I want, to be honest. Just want loads of drinks and cucumber sticks. I don't know if I can ask for that. If I do, you have to subscribe, because this is going to take a lot for me to ask for cucumber sticks, I'm telling you that. Hello, can I have a large Coke, please?
Yep, sure.
And a bottle of water. And do you do cucumber sticks?
Sorry, give me 1 second.
Okay.
A bottle of water, what else, sorry?
Do you do cucumber sticks?
Cucumber sticks?
Yeah.
1 second, I'll
Thank you.
Yeah, we do actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. The fact that he didn't know if they do cucumber sticks or not says a lot. Clearly no one asked for cucumber sticks, because he works here and he didn't even know, and he literally laughed at me when I asked. But no, I had to repeat it twice because he was like, something went wrong at the beginning and I had to say it twice. I had to ask for cucumber sticks, not once but twice. Hello. Yes, thank you. He laughed in my face about the cucumber sticks. He brought it up again. He literally said, "Is that your order? Cucumber sticks." Oh my god. Oh. I actually hate myself. I genuinely threw the bottle of water onto the seat next to me. I didn't think it would be fair to not show you the cucumber sticks after all that. I've actually eaten most of them now, but I saved these ones to show you. This is what my eyesight looks like. So this is my nighttime routine. I'm seeing my TikTok friend Tom tomorrow, and we're going to the Trafford Centre while we're here.
It stuck to the wall. It stuck to the wall. I don't know why I did that, but I'm glad I did. What else do I do? Oh yeah, I will take my contact lenses out as well. I'll do that now. This is so difficult with fake nails. Like, oh my God. Oh, I did that so quickly. I nearly fell over. Oh, that was really quick as well. I'm proud of that.
Hi. It's like 11:30 now. I woke up at like 11:10 and I've got to leave by 12. Actually no, it's now like 11:45. I've got to leave the room by 12 and I need to have a shower and do my makeup. This is what my life has come to. I'm actually finishing my makeup in the car because I was already like 10 minutes late leaving the hotel room. You have to be out at 12 and it was like 12:10 and I hadn't finished my makeup and I was like, I'm just gonna do it in the room. Oh yeah, this is my room. In the car. I was like, I'm just gonna do it in the car. You know I'm going to meet my friend Tom in a minute. I've roped him into filming an ad with me.
You're right, Liv! We're filming a video,
yeah,
girls.
we need to also explain why you're wearing a wig.
So this is my Julie character. Basically, we're filming Holly a sound ad. Oh God, there's someone there. No, she has got nice lips. Anyways. That's great.
I'll clean it with my We can just be sat in the car and then suddenly we both look at each other and go,
Is that alright?
oh, that's so funny, I wasn't expecting it.
2, 1. We need to go and find. I forgot the script. Okay. 3, 2, 1. We need to go and buy food for the Jubilee. That's not even. That was Gemma Collins. Right, that's fine.
That was good.
How glamorous this is, girls.
I know, I really like it in her.
Right, so what we getting?
He's got his food.
So we've got the cat food curry.
Got my food now and Tom's nearly finished it.
Let's go.
Of course, forgot to end the vlog. What more do you expect from me? If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe because I'm posting once a week now. You heard it here first. All that's left to say is, see you next week.